Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle turn lane. This lane, often found on busy streets, is a dedicated space for vehicles making left turns in both directions. You'll recognize it by its distinct markings: solid yellow lines on the outside and broken yellow lines on the inside. Its primary purpose is to enhance traffic flow and minimize congestion, making our roads safer and more efficient for everyone. Understanding its proper use is key to navigating these lanes confidently and correctly. When you're ready to make a left turn, it's crucial to enter the middle turn lane safely and at the right moment. Always signal your intention to turn left well in advance, giving other drivers ample warning of your maneuver. Avoid entering the lane too early, which can impede traffic, or too late, which might force an abrupt turn. The goal is to smoothly transition into the lane, preparing for your turn without causing disruption or confusion for others on the road. Remember, the middle turn lane is for turning, not for through traffic or passing. You should only use this lane for a short distance, typically no more than 200 feet as you approach your intended left turn. It's vital to never treat it as a regular driving lane or a shortcut. Always be mindful of other drivers who might also be using the lane from the opposite direction to make their left turns. Shared awareness keeps everyone safe. Finally, when it's time to complete your left turn from the middle lane, exercise caution and good judgment. Before proceeding, always yield to pedestrians and any oncoming traffic to ensure a clear path. Your safety and the safety of others are paramount. Remain vigilant, anticipate the actions of other drivers, and execute your turn smoothly. By following these simple guidelines, you can use the middle turn lane effectively and safely every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.